type Tally Prime download. TallySolutions.com website will be displayed as first link. Click on download. It will get downloaded. After completion of download, just open that executable file. Installation process will start. No, if you want to change the location, you configure it. Otherwise, click on install. The Tally will install. It will take some time. Automatically installation will be over. You can start Tally Prime. Normally, for educational mode, you can try it for free. License from network, reactivate existing license, activate new license. If you buy Tally software, you will be using these three. Otherwise, as we are using it for educational purpose and learning purpose, we can go for use of Tally Prime in educational mode for free of cost. This is how we can install Tally. Thank you.